Modular distance learning in Messenger? How? How can I create safe distance learning community? How can I communicate with their parents about their progress? How can I give feedbacks to my pupils? How can I deliver my instructional modules to my pupils? Using Messenger? Yes! Using Messenger as a tool. Here are the step-by-step procedure of modular distance learning using Messenger. By following PICS demo. Prepare, inform, create, send, demonstrate, and motivate. Prepare. Prepare our modules, activity sheets, educational videos, and other learning resources ahead of time. Inform. Inform our parents about the functions of group chat, digital footprints, privacy, safety, and time of use. Create. Create a group chat and group chat name and add your pupils and parents. Send. Send them the copies of modules, activity sheets, educational videos, and other learning materials through Messenger. Demonstrate. Demonstrate the lessons, activities, watch educational videos through live chat. And motivate. Motivate by asking motivational questions, answering questions, and giving feedbacks through Messenger stickers and emoticons. PICS demo is steps of modular distance learning using Messenger.